Now, in a large manner or in a descriptive form, we will go to learn about the denudation. Before that, I have already discussed what is the denudation processes, mass wasting, movement, everything is included in this process. But in a tabulation format, we will learn now. First one is the process of denudation. The processes are weathering, mass movement, and also the erosion. There is written transportation also. Deposition will be included for this. And the driving force, that means the agents through which the processes are having. First one is gravitational process, molecular stresses or chemical action. Second one is gravitational forces, and the third one is kinetic energy, which is also related in physics. You have already learned in class 10. So these are the denudational processes and their driving forces through which the denudation process is going to be successful. So now we will go about the denudation process, or what is it is and what is the definition of the denudation. It refers to the gradual wearing away of the earth's surface through the process of weathering, mass wasting, or you can say movement, erosion, and transportation and deposition you can add. So that is the main definition of denudation process. Now this process is driven by both exogenic, which is external processes, which are included in exogenic processes, the ice, water, you can say ice, and the wind. Groundwater is also included. And endogenic processes are in the internal forces within the earth, which contributes to the reshaping of the earth's surface. Reshaping, that means it's reformation. Just now I said after the deformation or the erosion, another thing is also going to happen or going to form. So that's why it's written over there, reshaping. After losses of the shaping, reshaping of the earth is going on. So denudation plays a key role or the pivotal role of forming the landforms, and it's influenced by the factors. Which are the factors? The climate, because in different climates, in equatorial, in tropical, in monsoon, in desert climate, in Himalaya Himalaya mountain climate, in different climates, the factorization are also going to be changed. So that's why the first influential factors are climate. Second one is rock type, the components or the compounds of the rock through which the rocks are going to be formed, that is also different from each other. So that's why the rock type is also a influencing factors, and the gravitational force. Those three forces are there which are influencing the various kinds of landforms and also the denudation process. What is this in the example? The Himalaya region is frequently experiencing landslides and debris avalanches. Avalanches, that means the glaciers, due to the tectonic activity. Why due to the tectonic activity? In plate tectonic theory, we have learned all the plates, all the tectonic plates, they are movable, they are dynamic. Sometimes it's coming closer, sometimes it's going parallelly, sometimes it's going far away from each other. So both these tectonic activities are related or dependent for the debris avalanches or the landslides. Steep slopes, heavy rainfall, these are also going to be happen. These are also the factors. And these events are example of denudation, where the surface material is worn away and transported into the different areas. What is written for the short pointers? First, we have learned the denudation process, which involves the weathering, mass wasting, erosion, and transportation. These four names you have to remember. Next, influenced by both exogenic forces and endogenic forces. In exogenic forces, wind, air, ice is also included, and endogenic forces. These are the common factors or the influential factors. The first one is climate, second one is rock structure, and the third one is gravity. This leads to the creation and transportation or the transformation of the different kinds of landforms. Its example is given landslide in the Himalaya region due to tectonic activities and their climatic conditions. And these are essential to understand the earth's surface changes and the landforms development.